Hello and welcome to Turnkey Social's video tutorial series. Today we're going to take a look at one of the basic elements of setting up a Facebook page, which is editing your profile picture. Now, on your individual page as well as your business page, both of those have an option for a profile picture. So in order to modify that, we're going to go to the page that we want to make the modifications for. We're going to show it in the instance of a personal page, but the functions for doing it on a business page are exactly the same. So all that you need to do is navigate to the business page versus the personal page. But right now we're going to go to our personal page. So once you've logged into Facebook, go ahead and click the image in the upper right hand corner. You'll see your little profile picture right there and your name. Click that button and it's going to open up to your actual Facebook profile. So we're seeing this page. You might have a cover photo, you might not, but in either case, on the left-hand side, there's this small box that has a little thumbnail. If you haven't uploaded the thumbnail yet, it'll show just a generic picture. If you have, then you can just edit it here. So just hover over that little box and a small menu option pops up that says Edit Profile Picture. We're going to click this. And a few things will happen. There'll be a few more items to choose from. It'll show a menu here. You can either take a photo, which would use your webcam if you've got a computer with a webcam. You can upload a photo, so you can select from files that are already on your computer to use as your profile photo. Or if you've added photos to your page, or if someone else has added photos to your page, then you can choose this Choose from Photos option. Now, if that one doesn't show up, don't worry about it. It's just because you haven't added photos to your page yet. But for those of you that have that, it is an option. So in this instance, we are going to select Upload Photo. I'm going to click that now, and it's going to open up my file browser for my computer. I'll be able to select any image that's on my computer right now. So you can scroll through, find the location where the picture is that you want, select the image, and then click Open. All right, so your profile photo has now been uploaded. Now, that's as simple as it gets. So if you're happy with the way that your profile picture looks, then you don't need to do anything else. We're done at this point. However, if you want to make some modifications like change the size, change the section of the photo that's showing up right now, or anything along those lines, what we need to do is we need to hover over that picture again, click Edit Profile Picture, and you'll see that menu come up, and we're going to click Edit Thumbnail. Now, when you do that, you'll have this little dialog box pop up. Now, you can either drag the image to adjust it, which it'll allow you to position the photo how you want inside this small window, or you can click this Scale to Fit option. If you do the Scale to Fit option, you won't be able to drag it, but it will make it so that it forces the whole photo into that space. So if you want the whole picture that you uploaded to show up, then you need to do that Scale to Fit. Otherwise, you can drag to adjust it. Now, some of you are going to have questions like, how do I zoom in on it? Or how do I just get a little section of the photo? Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't allow us to do that with our profile picture right here from this dialog box. So if you want to crop the photo, if you want to zoom in on a certain spot, you're going to need to do that outside of Facebook. Now, we don't have any videos that are going to show you how to do that, but if you go to YouTube and search how to crop a photo, or how to crop a photo on Windows, how to crop a photo on a Mac, either one of those is going to pull up a whole wealth of tutorial videos you can watch for free. They'll show you how to step through that process, and then you'll just need to upload that photo again. But for the sake of what we're doing here, just take the image as it is, adjust it, position it, put it where you want it to be, and when we're done, we click the Save button. So that's all that we had to do to make that work. Okay, so that's the basics of how to modify your profile picture. Now, there are a couple more options that we have for editing your profile photo, but to access that, we actually have to go to the Photos section of our profiles. So in most cases, unless you've modified the way that these small icons show up underneath your cover photo, you'll see this Photos section right underneath your cover photo. So we're going to click into that, and it opens up and it shows us all of our albums, any photos and videos that are taken of us, and we'll be able to view this content here. So we're going to go ahead and click on this Profile Pictures album. Once we select that, any of the profile photos that you've added up to this point are going to display. And so the last one, the one that we're going to want to modify, we're going to click that, and a window will pop up showing you your photo full screen or something along those lines. It'll be in a new window. Now, at the bottom of that photo are going to be a few things. You'll see tag photo, options, share, and like. We're going to select the options button and a menu will drop down. You can do a few things here. You can add a location if you want to state where it was taken. You can change the date that it was taken. You can download this photo. You can make it your profile picture, which it already is, or you can make it your cover photo. You can delete the photo, and you'll see this enter full screen. It just changes it so that instead of being in a dialog box or pulled out, it actually expands the image to full screen. But we skipped over two back there. It was rotate left and rotate right. Now, if you want to rotate the photo, you can do that here. So let's say we're going to rotate it a little bit to the right. We're going to click right. Whether your photo was loaded, displayed the wrong way, or you're just feeling super artistic like I am right now, and I would much rather look at our dog photo as it's turned to the right. Whatever the reason is, you can select this here, and it will actually modify the way that your photo shows up. So we're going to click rotate right and then exit back out. So now if we want to go back and take a look at what it looks like, we just go once again to the upper right hand corner, click on your name, pulls you to your profile, and there we are right on the left hand side. We've got our sideways turned dog, and that is our new profile picture. So that's all that there is to it. Thanks again for watching this tutorial on how to update your profile photo. We've got plenty more where this came from in the back office. Just click the tutorials section where you can learn more about how to modify basic Facebook things or a little more complex things about how to use our applications. Thanks again, and we will see you in the next video.